They're gonna be mad. Pull them off.
We got, hold on, let me see if I can get a picture of the. There we go, Cracker.
They're so.
Little penny. Oh, they're all eating so good. Yeah, and Cracker's so proud.
Oh, you're good, mommy.
They went up and show them.
Okay. This one is Dot.
Dot? Okay.
Okay, Graham, you're next. This one's Graham.
Oh, you're so cute. Okay.
Food. Where'd Bort go? This one is the only boy. This one's Jack. And he is chubby as can be.
He is.
This one. Sorry, Ritz. This one's Ritz. Where'd my food go? Where is... They might have a couple of them. The kids. Because Bort's not in here. This one's Cracker Jr.
Oh,
She's
got your
probably
eyes
the
open.
favorite.
Yeah. Look at that. Yeah.
They must have the other two.
Well, Cracker, you did a good job.
Oh, that one's like she went on the end.
Okay, here we go. We're going to attack somebody.
Get her, Bort. Get her.
She's trying with all her might.
She can't get her balance enough.
Bort's the black one.
Yep.
It looks like a skunk.
The girls have their names down already. Jason doesn't even have them down.
And we got here,
This is Graham.
Graham. Well, I can't see Graham's face. All I can see is.
Oh, turn her around a little bit. There you go.
Oh, there we go.
That one's a little cuddle bug. It's snuggled right up underneath my arm. I like the coloring.
She's got the board. The red one.
The one behind it.
Yeah.
I really like it.
I've got Jack and Mommy. This is the
Cute
meal.
too.
That one over there is Dot. And that's Cracker Jr.
This one over here, Cracker Jr. No, the one's trying to.
That one's
Is she biting
And
or
then
just
this
trying
one
to
I
eat your
don't know.
nerves?
The black one.
biting. They're playing.
Bullies? Bunch of bullies.
You taking a picture of that?
Yeah, a lot of them.
Does yours have a video on it, Kenny?
I
I
didn't
think it
know.
does.
Let's see.
Then you'll be able to post them on KSL. Take lots of pictures.
Oh, I don't know.
No, not this one. This one can't go on KSL.